Well, the story I gotta get nice now.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Father would change me whole heap, you know.
What did you say?
Father would change me whole heap, you know.
Chaddy star, Ramesh, burn up. Why? You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. So in case you're not living in Jamaica and you now follow up Jamaican news, we had a long weekend. Last Thursday, all non-essential business place was supposed to close at 12 and curfew starts at 8. So that's 12 noon and 8 p.m., right? On Friday, Good Friday, was no movement day. Not even church you could go. And on Saturday, curfew started at 12 noon. Only essential business places were permitted to open. Now on Sunday was also a no movement day. And yesterday, Easter Monday, big holiday, also no movement day. So during that long weekend lockdown, we see videos are circulating on the internet of water war. You know, water war, people them just pouring in the ghetto. I ain't know a thing go. Everybody live close. So them just say, yo, you know what? Water war. Now this water war are gone. And it look like so the police them find the location and are running. So that's why you see everybody around like this. So people, tell me in the comment section what you think about that. You think the police will just left the people and make them have a little fun? Or you feel like say them for lock it down for true and keep everybody inside their homes? And bear in mind, these people don't live in close approximate already, These people practically sometimes all 10 of them live in a one yard and them thing there. So does it actually make sense though in these small communities? I don't know. Tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. In the last report, I show you DHQ Nikki's new body. And we are tell you, say, girl look fine, girl look good, girl look hot. We still can't show the entire body, We still have to put on a little clothes on her. But our baby father, Marvin the Beast, look like say him a eyeball her. Look like say him love the new body. Him did up on a live the other day. And the people in the live are pressure him and say, yo Marvin, you know see Nikki new body? You know see Nikki's new body, what you think? And him ignore until this brave call and confront him.
Talk truth, Marvin. Talk truth. Nikki don't look good.
What you talking about? Long time and just now.
Jesus, the girl body just come right through. She has said something. So talk truth, Marvin, between me and you. Put it
No, you are going to do it. You are going to regardless of what. Nikki always look good.
No, me know that she always look good.
Before and now, she still look good.
Me know she always look good, but trust me. Put it in his iPhone, Marvin. I don't want to hear. You know what, touch your body there. Marvin, answer the question that you hear what I say.
She good, man. I'm a baby mother, man. She good, man.
Smart answer, youth. After all, are you baby mother? So I know nothing if you want to apply back for the work. Brother, just submit in your application. Make sure say you look over your resume. Make sure say all your T's them cross and the I's them dot. Marvin, do you think are your baby mother already? Now people, this meme style are going on social media and it is very entertaining. So the idea of this meme is to get someone photograph and put a black and white filter on it. Turn the photograph into black and white. After applying the black and white filter or effect, you're going to put a witty caption. Now the caption must have something to do with, back in the days. And you must tell a story about the photograph, as in the person in the photograph is from back in the day. Now, me I go give you an example. Starting off with popcorn. This person posts a photograph with popcorn. You see me? It really look like say it's an old photo, like a back in the day photo. Anyway, the person captioned it by saying, "My grandfather, Puppet Sutherland the 8th, getting ready for his first unruly rebellion." So now you're supposed to understand how the meme work. The next one we're gonna look at is a photograph of Skillibeng on the plane. The same plane we crashed with the coke. Now the person captioned this by saying, "El Skilly, the man who become Jamaica's first jug." So we have El Skilly, the man who became Jamaica's first known drug trafficker, and in bracket them have 1890. Next we have Queenie, Mrs. Scarlett, the first Queen of Jamaica, born in Mayfair, London, as the first child of Duke and Duchess of York. Set foot on Jamaican soil to declare Double Top Day, circa 1837. We have Mr. Cliff Twang, nobody can cross it. My grandfather, after Hurricane Gilbert passed through Jamaica on September 19, 1988. Massacre photograph from Fox interview with the caption, "My great-great-grandfather, Mas Ika," who was Jamaica's very first crocodile wrestler. And the last one we're gonna take a look at is Ghetto Michael Jackson. And this photograph really look like the real blue tick verified Michael Jackson. Anyway, the caption that by saying, "The late Michael Jackson performing at a charity in Africa, 1652. Now the last one we're gonna look at is from Sir Eats a Lot, Squaddy himself. Today we remember history from 1851. The first man ever to make ice cream famous. He was a Jamaican policeman. Hashtag historic moment. So people, this is how I want to do for me now. You in the comment section, I want to use one of your photograph. You see me? Put the little black and white filter over it. Send it to me either in my DM or you're going to tag me, but it better you send it in my DM, right? And I'm going to post it on my Instagram and we all just have a laugh. Because apparently somebody did have too much time on them and during the lockdown. Anyway, the Instagram page you're gonna at our DM is at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. I am DJ Chaddy. Or if you're watching on Facebook, you can DM me on Facebook as well. Now people, me did really want to talk about this story, because Miss Kitty. Me have time? Yeah, me have time. I mentioned it already, so let me just talk about it. Miss Kitty, I gonna make the people know on her radio show. I gonna make everybody know. Say 100 grand cannot really carry her out or can barely carry her out. After she done do her ear, her nails, her toe, her eyes, her face, her everywhere, after she done get the makeover something, like it costs over 100 grand. Jaja. Anyway, me not have to talk it out. This is what Miss Kitty have to say.
When you talk about nails, to do your nails, you're looking at like 5 grand. All right, just to do the nails. All right, so calculate 5 grand. Yeah, dear man, yeah, stretch out your face. You see how dear man, like they mentioned, oh my God, just to do the nails. Wow, yeah, exactly. Andrika, and you could. Yeah, well, 6 grand. I was talking about 6 grand for a first, 6 to 7 grand for a fresh set of nails. Calculate it, Andrika. Come on, go again. You see what? That's why when me go out and Brockman call to me 8, 9, and 10, them come here and say, "Sir, you make your broke bubble come by me. Get away."
Excuse me, does your pedicure include in that 6,000 or is?
No, that's not. That's X the pedicure. The pedicure is 3,000.
There we go.
Okay,
Right,
so that's 9 right there. So already, okay. We didn't do the hair yet. Remember when I buy the wig? All right.
Okay.
I'm just gonna be modest, right?
Okay.
A basic wig right now, well upon 20 grand.
Okay.
Yeah, basic.
29,000.
Yeah, mental basic, right? Remember, when I talk about HD
Is
lace,
that installation included?
installation is not included. So we're gonna go to
Okay.
installation now.
Alright.
So the 20 grand and 6 grand for install it. That's just
Okay.
being modest again.
Alright.
Okay? Because some places charge 7 and 8, okay? To install it. How much we say that? How much you got already?
35.
You know, say Andrew can use our brain, but not tell her that it's very impressive. I had to have my calculator. But that's all right. So how much you got now? 35? All right. What was the ear? All right. We're going to lash now, Andrika.
Right.
$1,000 to do your lash.
It's 1,000?
1,000. Yeah. Well, if you got money,
I don't know. I said 1,000 where?
if you do the fusion lash.
Right, future I'm going.
Yeah. Oh, fusion. Yeah. Go. All right. Fusion settings. Well, upon 4 grand right there. So.
354, yeah.
Or 5. What's the fusion? Okay, the fusion is when they take the individual strand of lash and merge it with yours, so it looks like yours. So it's like you can't just rip it off.
Right.
It's like it giant up. Yeah. So it's a fusion lash, right? So the fusion lash, we're looking at 6 grand right there. How much that now, Andrika, already?
All right, so 35 and 6, that's 41.
Very well. All right. And your eyebrow to not do yet, remember? And if you're waxing it, it can be like 1,500. Or if you're going to shave it, it's like 1,000. Okay? Good. That's all for face. Zine. Remember now? We're not do. We're rich now. All
right.
So we're going to wax now. I never say you have to wax when you go. Okay? You cannot go to the Amazon ear under your arm. You understand? Ear can bubbles up. That's not cute. So you have to wax your arm now. Right?
And it is only if you choose.
And that's it, yeah, if you choose, right? So that's the next 2 grand, right? There's a sheet.
Right.
If you got box, the net reach.
That's a 6 grand.
That's a 6 grand.
So that's
right?
52,000.
Can never say, they need this, right?
So hold on.
Right?
So we were at 41. We had the 1,500 for the eyebrow.
Yes.
That's a 42,500.
Good.
Okay, then you have the arm waxing, almost
2,000.
2,000 at a 44.
All right.
500.
And then if you go zoom that,
Yeah, all right. At a 50,500.
do that. All right. Good. So that's a shave off. Okay. Good. All right, now we're going to close now, Andrika. Right? We have to close now. All right, we're a brazier. We're going to take so a brazier underwear lock. All right, we'll have them there. If we're going loud fashion, go buy something nice and cute because we're going out for the Easter. We're going out, so I gotta be cute. Okay, and that's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. I gotta be cute. Okay, a nice outfit is gonna cost you at least $9,000, and that is just being modest.
That is.
Cause I don't include the shoes yet.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm just being modest here. So 9,000, Andrika. How much that now?
That's 59,500.
59,500. Our shoes now, Martina. It's about 3-4 grand. I said 4. 4 grand. Modest again.
63,500.
63,500. Remember now, when we go out, Martina, we gotta have our faces beat to the gods. So you gotta do your makeup, full glam. Oh, I'm telling you, but no. Why am I want to work it out for the man? Them because the thing is a joke thing. Yo, listen. Where's it now? Remember now. What? So full glam makeup. If Roxy come to your face, full glam. Well, look at her like $13,000. Right, there's a shade.
So Mama goes on.
Okay, because you gotta pay for that glitter. Y'all think when you see women out, like, only thing is that magic? It's not a magic. It's a payment. Yeah, it's a payment. That's a don't touch me, don't cut to me. Leave that alone. Yeah, right. So the full glam.
76,000.
So that's 76,000. And by the way, guys, remember we're keeping these figures very modest. Okay, Andrika. By the way, how come we didn't buy any little accessories? We never buy like an earring. We never buy like a.
Let's assume so we have jewelry at home.
Okay, very well.
We don't make them feel.
All right. Okay. How much is that now, Andrika?
We're at 76,000.
Okay, 76,000. Then now we're gonna need little money for go out then for say, right?
Pocket.
For the event itself.
Right.
So you're going to a party. A general party right now costs about 5 grand.
10. No, you have about 10, especially if you drink.
Okay, there you go.
Especially if you drink. Where's
Okay, so that's $86,000 right there.
just like that?
And that's one event. I'm telling you. Yes, Damian. You see what I'm talking about? So when listen people, girl, children, these are the things. Someone offer nothing at all. Yeah.
Barely even looks.
Yeah, that's no serpent, no weak in every ear as. Yeah, that's that. Yeah. Well, did I say that go for country girls? Country girls are just up. What they better ask say? That go for country. That goes for every girls. It goes for every girls. Kingston, town, country, rural, urban, everywhere. Uptown, downtown. Everybody. Yeah, because everybody want to look good. So I'm saying that, and by the way, Andrew, if you drive gas, what the taxi fare? Where's the cab fare? So if the cab, that's like 1,000, 1,500.
And mark you. And it's about, but mark you, remember, the cab's charged by stage, you know. So it depends on how far from home you're going.
There you go. You understand?
Money.
And also, am I going to use contacts or am I going to wear my glasses?
There we go.
You know, because contacts clap.
You have lashes.
Thank you. You know what I mean? I'm telling you. So, when we look at the lockdown, a lot of us resent it. And yes, it's a bother. And, just somebody telling you cannot go outside. It feels like you're in bondage. But when you also look at it, you are able to save a lot of money, Andrika. I'm telling you, it is a lot. So, I said, Jaja, why? And remember now, those numbers that we just gave you are conservative. I'll know we don't go to the real zhang. We don't Calico. We don't step in the realm, We don't step in the 100,000 we got know,
Alright, Miss Kitty, top right there, so top right there, so tappy. Miss Kitty, remember, you are a radio TV personality. You are also an influencer. Now, Miss Kitty, I don't think you don't expect a regular girl for you do them 100,000 something there. A one party I go, a married I go married, a wedding I go, or you go what them call it, anniversary or a birthday party. No, Miss Kitty, them thing the way I talk about of his special occasions. Ladies, if you do it or know of someone who do them kind of lifestyle something there, let me know in the comment section, cause me don't know about that something there. And even if you do that something there, come on, and you want to keep up yourself like that, so you expect the man to foot the bill? I don't know. Spark a conversation in the comment section, cause more often know what uno thing. And then I must add, Miss Kitty, remember say most time when you go out and when you go make these appearances and stuff, me not go talk about say you probably get paid for. We not talk about that. You go out for leisure and want your hair, nails done and clothes. Miss Kitty, half the time them are free clothes you're supposed to wear. You see me? Because you are a quote unquote influencer. Free nails, free hair. You just put on a clothes and take 2 pictures a night and I eat that. So don't feel like say you want to influence these young girls. We are forward up now. The lifestyle. What you know? You know what, Chaddy? You could get yourself in a problem. Done it right there, so. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topic we discussed today. And people, if you don't make it out to the end, big up on your damn self. Cause I know say the review is kind of long and lengthy. We are cut it off for now. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.